Here we go. This is the flash flood warning I was waiting for. I'm gonna turn it up. Oh no, maybe not a lot. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's the flash flood warning I was waiting for. Yeah, this is a flash flood warning I just uploaded right now on my radios. The same one.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 12:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:38 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across southern Los Angeles County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Long Beach, Torrance, Rancho Palos Verde, Port of Los Angeles, Carson, and Los Angeles Harbor. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage